My name is Jon Chandler, and I'm an instructor at the Virginia School of Traditional Arts. This morning we're looking at our asparagus plants. The asparagus plants we have here in Southern Virginia, the ones I have at least, are actually native. They grow wild. This one was given to me by my sister-in-law, and that's the best type of plant, if you can find it, is something that's native to your area. This time of year, it is first week in May, and depending on the weather, these come up sometimes differently, but we want to harvest our asparagus when they're looking like this. You harvest them when they look just like the ones that you get in the store. And so they're sticking out of the ground, and we want to cut them off cleanly. I use a little pair of bypass pruners. We're going to cut them off cleanly and carefully. And we're not going to cut them all off. We're going to leave some, and these have been, I always leave the first few that come up to regenerate. If you cut them all off, your plant will die. So we want this to do what it does naturally, which is come up and have more for next year. This one is virtually 2 days older than the ones we just cut, and it grows very fast. This is about 3 or 4 days older than the ones we just cut. So like I said, the first 3 or 4 I let come up and go back to generate the next generation here. If you would like to move this plant, you can either dig up a section, or you can just take this and plant it back down in the ground, and it will grow right now just like it is. Thank you for checking us out this morning on our asparagus harvest at the Virginia School of Traditional Arts. My name is Jon Chandler. All our information, if you're interested in classes, will be in our description. Thank you so much. Have a good day.